You're still watching the Minister's Platform. Let's now bring you the sight and sound of the presidential flag-off of the first oil drilling project in Bauchi and Gombe states by President Muhammadu Buhari.
Today is important in the economic history of our nation as we move closer to production of oil and gas in the upper Benue Trough, specifically the Kolmani River oil and gas field straddling Bauchi and Gombe states. This is indeed significant considering that efforts to fund commercial oil and gas outside established Niger Delta Basin was attempted for many years without the desired outcomes. However, the successful discovery of the Kolmani oil and gas field by NNPC and her partners has finally broken the jinx record by confirmation of a huge commercial deposit of hydrocarbons in Kolmani River field. This discovery had emanated from our charged NNPC to re-strategize and expand its oil and gas exploration footprints to the frontier basins of Anambra, Dahomey, Sokoto, Benue Trough, Chad, and Bida basins. Similar activities across the other basins are currently actively ongoing. We are pleased with the current discovery of over 1 billion barrels of oil reserves and 500 billion cubic feet of gas within the Kolmani area, and the huge potentials for more deposits as we intensify exploration efforts. It is therefore to the credit of this administration at a time when there is near zero appetite for investment in fossil energy, coupled with the location challenges, we are able to attract investment of over $3 billion United States dollars to this project.
We need to make conscious and serious efforts at diversifying our economy. While we are getting the resources from the oil, we should be looking at how to make the oil resources move out, develop more and more areas of the real sector. I'm also worried because what has been happening in the Niger Delta with the 13% derivation, or maybe the application, or maybe in some cases misapplication of the resources of the NDDC would have negative impact all the time. And this is something for this part of the new oil-bearing states to learn from. Or 13% derivation, I think maybe we should have a constitutional review. How do you apply the 13% derivation?
The commencement of drilling of Kolmani fields, which could hold as much as 1 billion barrels of crude oil, will significantly contribute in boosting our oil reserves and ensuring a continuous energy sufficiency.
Our partner and stakeholder engagements have indicated unquestionable zeal to support our campaigns for further exploration activities and for the delivery of this project in particular. May I particularly mention the extreme collaboration and support of the governments and people of Bauchi and Gombe states. We are convinced that this collaboration will be sustained to drive the delivery of value to all Nigerians.